just got done cleaning this side. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I'm hoping that I cleaned it properly. I mean, it looks pretty clean as far as what I can see, so yeah, about to put everything back together now. Start her up. I will record that part, but like I said, my GoPro keeps dying, so yep. Y'all just gonna have to catch up with me, you know. Gotta get out here and do it yourself. You know what I mean? But yeah. As far as putting it back, I guess I'll just briefly go through it. That right there for this side, line it up with that thing right there. Slide this on there. Slide this back on there. Then you're gonna tighten. Tighten these back up. And make sure you plug your map back in, your map sensors on both sides. And that's it for the same as this side. So, yep. If you got any questions, just let me know. Or, I guess, watch another video. But, yeah, pretty simple though.